Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add two effects on one video in Instagram Reel. The first thing you want to do is open Instagram. Then you're going to tap on the plus in the top right hand corner like you would normally do to upload a reel. Then you're going to select Reel. And from here, you can scroll across the bottom of the screen right where you see the effects. And you can select the first effect that you would like to use, and you can start recording your Instagram Reel. After you have recorded your Instagram Reel, you are going to tap on Next in the bottom right hand corner. Then you are going to tap on the effects icon at the top right beside the music icon, and you can select the other effect that you would like to use. Then tap on the screen, and that's it. You can tap on Next now to continue your uploading. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.